I would say that this workshop is a wonderful workshop, and it's very important for the leaders, especially the aspiring leaders, and also the ones who are actually leading teams to go through this kind of a program. This intervention is, I would say, a must. Reason being, there are a lot of things that one can learn, and this leadership is all about learning how to serve others rather than being served. And I think this concept which Dr. Madana is evangelizing in the corporate is the thing, and I would recommend many people to go through this. It's going to benefit many of you from not just from your growth as a leader, but also to grow others. It's all about not just about me, but it's also about how we can do things for others as well. So I come with almost like 25 years of corporate experience, and about 3 years back I've started my own organization, and I'm into consultancy, which is related to human resources, and at the same time I also teach leadership and I coach people on leadership. So the insights which I'm taking away is immense from this workshop, and I look forward of how I can execute this in my own personal life, and also how I can make my clients understand that servant leadership is something which is going to be an exciting journey. Well, while there are a lot of takeaways that I would want to highlight, but I think the most important thing, like I said, is servant leadership is all about learning how to serve our people and not being selfish for serving my own self. I think that one statement is a very important key statement which every leader needs to imbibe, inculcate, and start practicing that. I think that's my key takeaway, and that has a lot of variations in that of whatever has been taught in this two-day intervention. Absolutely, I think there's a huge scope to make the impact where at least like I mentioned, I would want to have this model being taught and also through coaching, which I do with other organizations. I would love to cascade this training program so that they can also attend these sessions in Dr. Madana's slam sessions and gain from it. But at the same time, from my own perspective as to how I would want to impact is, I would like to coach leaders, which I normally do, on the art of being a servant leader.